Welcome to Bargaining with Bree. I'm your host, Brianna Walton. I'll be showing you how to bargain on a budget this holiday season, doing DIY projects for you and the whole family to enjoy. Come on, let's get it. Okay, so let's get to the first item. First item is gonna be our boo jar. Isn't it so cute? Definitely cute for the kids this holiday. Definitely efficient, definitely easy. Let's get into it. You're gonna need 9 items. You're gonna need your jar. You're gonna need some tooling for the mouth, make it however you want, zigzag. You're gonna need some tape. You could use a glue gun, but I prefer for the kids to use the tape. You're gonna also need some fabric tape. Also, we're gonna use some artificial lights. That's what we're gonna use. You're gonna need some scissors, some tongs so you can place the actual light inside of the jar so your hand won't get stuck or anything like that. And some eyeballs. And lastly, some good old candy. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open your jar. You're gonna take your jar. And again, all these items can be found within your local craft store, local discount store, wherever you can find it. You don't have to break the bank for this. There's a little thing in here to hold the light. Go ahead and take that out. Turn the light on. Next, we're gonna pick up our good old fabric stickers. So you're gonna place one under the light, preferably right on top of the battery, just for symmetry purposes. Grab this one with the other adhesive. You're gonna click that to the bottom of the light. And this is where the tongs come in. So, no, we're not grilling, but we gotta put the light in. So grab the light. I prefer to just go ahead and eyeball it. Stick it there. Put a little pressure on it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Again, this is just fun stuff. Okay? The light is there. It should be very durable. Okay, so next, we're gonna get our little lips. You can keep it long, keep it however you wanna do it. I think I wanna do a smiley face this time. Because yes, Halloween is a bit, scary, but I wanna do a little smiley face. You're gonna take your tool, grab your scissors, cut to your liking of length, doesn't matter. All right, take your tape. No matter the size. Symmetry on this really doesn't matter. Okay, now let's move on to the eyeballs. This is my favorite part. The eyeballs are my favorite part. You can have so much fun with this, play around with it. I wanna make mine a little wonky. Let's grab your handy dandy tape. All right, you're gonna take the tape, roll it. I'm shaking here, but it's okay. Take your tape, get it, roll it into we can say that could be a slight croissant. Put it on the back. Uh-oh. All right, there we go. Let's put it on the back of our eyeball. And you're gonna place it wherever you see fit. Look at that. Ah, that's so cute. Okay, last one. Okay, now we're gonna move on to my other favorite part. This might be top 2, okay? Let's go to the candy. That's what we're here for. All right, because what's a boo jar without some candy? Now, you just take any candy of your liking, whatever you like, put it in the jar. You can fill it all the way up to the light, or you can just go ahead and put a little bit in there. Put that there. Close the jar. Done. Isn't it so cute? You can also use this as a night light. I did mine the other night and I just had it sitting in the house with the lights off. It was too cute. So you can definitely do that too. I think the kiddies will definitely enjoy this project. I think you all enjoy. I hope you all enjoy. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, welcome back. Now let's move on to our spooky pooky arrangement. We made this with the pumpkin and honey. I think this was my favorite so far to do. All right, you're gonna need about 5 items. You're gonna need some beautiful artificial flowers. You can do real flowers as well, but I think these will last longer during the season. Again, we're gonna use our googly eyes. Then, of course, you're gonna need a pumpkin. Have your tape on standby and your handy dandy scissors. Now, off camera, we went ahead and carved it out so we could get the top off. Now, we move on. Get that aroma. It's that season. It's fall. We love pumpkin. All right, so now you can go ahead and get your bouquet and slap it on in there. That's all you got to do. That's all you have to do. But we've carved it out. Scoop all the pumpkin seeds out. You can even make a pumpkin puree. We learned that off camera as well. You can save that. Do what you like with it. But yes, that's what we did. Put your bouquet in. Now let's move on to the actual crafting of it. Let's get into the eyes. So you're going to grab your good tape. Again, all these items for the crafting portion can be found in your local discount store, local craft store, wherever you get your crafts from. The pumpkin, try your grocery store or a local pumpkin seller. Let's put this on the back. And I want mine, again, wonky, because it's spooky season. What's your favorite spooky song or Halloween song? Put that down in the comments. I would say mine is not really spooky, but I love the video for it. Michael Jackson, Thriller. That is my go-to. It's coming along. It's coming along. I have another question for you. What is your favorite spooky movie, Halloween movie? What is your favorite Halloween movie? Put that down in the comments as well. My first one is definitely Twitches. The first one. I do like the second one, but Twitches 1 is always going to be a classic. My second one would be Edward Scissorhands. I love that movie. I don't know about y'all, but that's spooky to me. Okay. Now we got to add the mouth. Gently press the tape onto your pumpkin. Well, I wanted it to be spooky, but he has a smile. So, and again, you can use a glue gun, but for safety purposes, if you're doing this alone, just go ahead and use some tape. All right. Here is your finished product for your spooky, pooky pumpkin. This is so cute. Quick and easy. And you can definitely put this on the coffee table. Definitely put it in the kitchen or at the door. Anything. I think this was fun and cute. And I hope you guys enjoy. I will see you on the next time. All right. Bye-bye.